Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to start a course in Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you can see recommendation on here. You can simply choose a course from here. Or you can also click on My Learning tabs on your left hand side of your screen and click on Explore All button. You will see trending subjects and language here and all the featured courses and paths. Choose any one of the courses you like. After selecting it, you can click on Start button here. So that is how you can start a course in Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.